for the holidays. Hey my loves, welcome back to my channel. I am Nadia for those of you who are joining for the first time ever, and a fun fact about me is I loved acting a lot. In high school I did a lot of acting, did a lot of musical theater, did a lot of off-Broadway stuff, and I was even an extra on a TV show once with Glenn Close. The show was called Damages, I think. Can you guys find me? If you do, screenshot it and send it to me. But enough about that. Today we are getting into a Rebdolls try-on haul, another one. And today I wanted to do something a little bit different, take on a challenge a bit, and shop their clearance section. So I partnered with Rebdolls to check out some of their pieces from their clearance section. And I wanted to see if I can find pieces that work for now and make them work for now. Because there's so many good pieces there that are on sale and any clearance section in general that we can so overlook and realize that we can make them work for the season now and even later on, and they're good deals, so why miss out? Okay, so let's get into this. Alright, so here is the first piece in this haul. It's actually two pieces. It's this little cute little crop top and then a little cardigan. It's nice and light. I think this is perfect for even now, even though it's getting colder here in New York City. And maybe some places where you're at, it's not getting colder because your winters are pretty much summers. But these pieces are so cute. They're so comfy. I would definitely wear them even in New York City weather at home, especially because we're spending a lot more time at home. Loungewear is a thing now, and this would be perfect with a cute pair of sweats, being comfy in the house. I've got my little cardigan if it gets chilly. I don't know about you guys, but in New York City, when the heat is on, it is on, and it's hot in our houses. So I want something that I can layer with and I can peel off. But I can also wear this outside depending on how I style it. I can see myself wearing this with like a maxi skirt and some boots, and then putting on a nice thick, pufferage jacket. And so there's so many different ways you can style this, be comfy, and layering is a thing for fall and winter, and you can still do that with pieces that you can find in the summer and spring. And I think this works perfectly. What do you guys think? Okay, I think we are ready for our next piece, so let's get to it. Okay, here is the next piece, and it is this really cute sweater dress. I usually don't go for more fitted pieces just because that's my preference, but I decided to take a risk and try something new. This is more of like a bodycon sweater dress fit, and again, fits the wrists, lovely, perfect fit, nice and snug without being restricting. I love the cut, love the length, love the pattern. I think this is actually perfect for fall and winter. And yeah, I'm really surprised that I even found this in the clearance section. Look how cute. I think the only thing I would do different is make sure that I have like a slip underneath so that I get rid of the lines from my tights. But I think this would be great for even wearing the tights for the winters to keep warm and just layering up with it. A pair of boots, maybe a fur coat, accessorizing with some gold jewelry. I think this makes it a perfect like dinner out, or a special occasion piece for the holidays even. What do you think? This is pretty great. And in the clearance section, I can't believe that. All right, let's move on to the next piece. Okay, and this is the next piece. I am obsessed with this piece because it gives me Morticia vibes, but it is so beautiful. And again, I cannot believe I found this in the clearance section. I think this is perfect for the fall and winter. It's this beautiful, like, long top. It gives me maxi dress vibes, right? But it's actually a top, right? Or, I mean, I guess you can consider it a maxi dress kind of, but there's a split right down the middle, comes up right above the belly button, and look at these sleeves. I mean, Morticia vibes, right? But how cute is this? I would wear this with some boots, maybe a fur teddy coat. It's just so cute and it's so nice. Well, not cute, it's very like, I don't know, it makes me feel a little bit more regal. So, what do we think of this piece? I think this is definitely a gem. It is definitely a find because I can't believe this is in the clearance section. And I can't believe this was not sold out because this is such a great piece. Super comfortable. Again, the fit on the sleeves are great, fit on the body is great, and everything that I've been trying out today is a 3X. I'm normally a 2X, but I always size up for Rebdolls. I noticed that their 3X tends to fit me best, but the fit is perfect. Fits like a glove. So far, I think this one is my favorite from the haul, but we have a couple more items to try out, so let's go do it. And here we are with the next piece, and this is super cute. Like, the material in this is super soft. It feels very luxe, very comfy, very cozy. Like, I cannot stop touching it because it feels really, really good. And it's a perfect thickness. Again, another one that I didn't believe that I could find this in clearance, but I did. I'm about to show you, I'm about to back up so you can see the whole thing, but I just want to tell you guys, like, such a good material. It sits on the body really nicely, hugs my spaces and my curves and everything the way I like it. But how cute is this dress? And there's pockets. Again, I'm wearing this with tights in case you want to keep warmer for the fall and the winter. And it's kind of giving me like rehearsal ballerina vibes. You know, I don't know if you guys took ballet, I did as a kid. And I feel like these are things that I would wear while we're rehearsing. Something that's comfy and cozy, maybe even with white tights, right? While we do our contemporary dances and rehearsals. But how cute is this? And the pockets, Pockets on dresses are always a win in my book. And I think this is a perfect, cute, comfy, and cozy classic black dress that is perfect for now and anytime. Like, it's a basic that you need to have in your closet, and again, in the clearance section. Okay, we are now ready for our final piece. Okay, for this final piece, I decided to do something even more challenging by taking a very, very classic summery piece and seeing, is this something that I could possibly style for the fall or winter? Can I make this work? If I don't make this work for the season, it's okay because I can always use it for next summer. But I found this beautiful bodycon maxi dress. And it's such a bright and vibrant color. We've got some spaghetti straps. And so I was thinking through, how can I style this for fall, winter? So here are my thoughts. I'm thinking a high neck top or a turtleneck, long black sleeves t-shirt, a furry black coat or a teddy coat over, boots or even sneakers. I can play with my color here, and then just play with the black, play with layering. I can make this dress work, and it'll be a funky and bold choice and bold fashion. So again, this is not for the light of heart, but this is definitely something that can still even work for right now and for later when summer's coming up and you've already got your summer dress on lock because you shopped the clearance section. But this is such a cute piece. Let me show you guys the entire dress. It comes down right around my ankles. So again, the perfect length. Rebdolls really does a great job with size, with fit, and with length, especially for me when I'm very, very particular. So what do we think? Can you guys picture it? I can totally picture it. Even if I scrunch it up a little bit, throw on my sneakers, the neck, the turtleneck, long sleeves, and the fur coat. Some sunglasses because it does get sunny in the winter. What do you think? Can you imagine it with me? So yes, this one is a bit more of a stretch, but it is a challenge and it's still fashion and it's bold and fierce fashion. How many of you guys would actually try this? Let me know, comment down below. And which was your favorite piece? Comment down below. And if you guys want to see more try on hauls or want me to try on a brand that I have not tried on here on this channel, comment below and let me know who I should check out. But that's pretty much it for this video. Thank you so much for joining me. Don't forget to hit subscribe and hit the bell so you get notifications every time I upload a new video. And don't forget to come and hang out with me over on Instagram. I've got some really cool things happening. I've got my second round of A to Z series. If you guys don't know what that is, go check it out because it's all about editorial fashion. And really, I do a lot more of my stuff on Instagram, a lot more of my creative stuff, a lot more of my fashion stuff. So if you don't want to miss out, don't forget to follow me there. And for December, I'm actually going to be having some giveaways happening, and some really good stuff actually. So don't miss out on that. Follow me over there. And yeah, that's it, I guess, guys. I'm going to stop rambling right now. Remember that you're absolutely beautiful, and until next time, bye. Mwah.